Here we divide 990 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 4 is 8. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 9 and it is 19. So 2 times 9 is 18. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 0 and it is 10. So 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 990 divided by 2 is 495. So this much for today and thanks for watching.